Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno7 Lite, and today I'll show you how we can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, expand them, and in here you'll find power saving mode toggle. Once you locate it, simply tap on it and you're done. Your device is now in power saving mode. Now to turn it off, I believe you can either plug in your phone to charge, and once it detects that it's charging, it will basically immediately turn it off, or just you can do it yourself by tapping on the toggle. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.